That time in 90s, 95 to 98, something like that. At that time, the hotel management setup was totally different. We all have to really work very hard, and it was very tough time, challenging time, because there was very few job opportunities, and we all have to prove that time. There were just few number of hotels in India, and there was no other option for hotel management graduate that time. The market was not open like that. So sir belongs to that time, that era. Now the way he has come up, an entrepreneur also and a CEO also, दोनों तरीके से संभाल रहे हैं. Wishing Tree India is one of the most awarded wedding planning event. Today in the MICE industry, wedding planning, especially if I go to metropolitans and cosmopolitan, it has come up like anything. Wedding, destination weddings and lot many things are there. People want everything in ready-made, and planning it minutely and with cultural differences. Every home has its own culture. अब उसको मैच करना, इवेंट प्लान करना और गेस्ट को सेटिस्फाई करना. लड़के के मामा भी होते हैं, लड़के के फूफा भी होते हैं, कहीं से कोई शिकायत नहीं लेना. So this all hats off to Vikas sir. He keeps everyone happy when the event gets over. And he is the CEO of Core Connect Technology, a multinational company, and he represents, I hope, Asia, if I'm not wrong, sir.
Yeah, I look after 9 countries.
9 countries. And he has the background. He has worked with the Dabur, DLF, Quality, Mobicon, the brands which we aspire to work for. And he has been through and have there. He is a profit master. Wherever he has been, the results were visible to the management, the people, the shareholders, the stakeholders. So he is having that Midas touch. And ये कहीं भी खड़े हो जाए, 4 आदमी घेर के इनसे बात करने के लिए बिजी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इनके बातों से मतलब कहते हैं ना, अमृत बहना. ही इज अ पर्सन ऑफ दैट ऑरा. ही हैज हिज ओन ऑरा विद हिम. और किसी को कभी इन्होंने ऐसा फील नहीं होने दिया कि किसी छोटे से बात कर रहे हैं या कोई इंटीरियर पर्सनालिटी से बात कर रहे हैं. ही कीप्स अप विद हिम, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द क्वालिटी अ हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट ग्रेजुएट नीड टू हैव. तो ये चीज़ें आज सर हमारे साथ हैं. जितना कहते हैं ना, मतलब जूस निकाल सकते हो, टेक इट आउट. इट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. द फर्स्ट सेशन व्हेन आई टेकन, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, द लक knocks your door and you should be ready to open the door. अगर आप खोल लेते हो दरवाजा, it's your choice. सोते रह जाते हो, choice is yours. So I want you all, and last Friday only, sir was again awarded for the best. What was that award, sir? If you can remind me.
So it was, Wishing Tree got awarded as the best luxury wedding planning and events company by the tourism secretary.
By the tourism secretary, and sir himself was awarded by star he was the star of the industry award was awarded to him by 94.1 My FM.
Yeah.
Delhi, and he is really the star. He is the star of the industry. He represents our industry, and in Delhi he is a name. आप किससे पूछोगे तो इंट्रोडक्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप लोग छोटे शहर में हैं, आज आप लोग पहचान गए हैं, आगे से आपको भी इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यू कैन फॉलो हिम ऑन हिज लिंक्डइन. Is there, and his company Wishing Tree is there on Instagram also. तो सर को, एंड वेन एवर आप लोग को सर ने, मैंने वहाँ भी देखा, बच्चे भी अप्रोच करते थे. कभी भी आपको कोई दिक्कत हो, एनीवेयर यू फील, ही इज ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प. आप उनको पिंग कर दो एंड यू गेट रिप्लाई वेन एवर यू गेट फ्री. माइट भी तुरंत नहीं जवाब आए, 2 घंटे बाद आए, 4 घंटे बाद आए, बट यू गेट द रिप्लाई. तो एनी टाइम कभी भी कंफ्यूज हो कैरियर प्लानिंग से रिलेटेड, हम लोग की बात समझ में नहीं आ रही, तो पीपल लाइक दिस आर देयर. यू कैन फ्रैंकली टॉक टू देम एंड दे विल बी द बेस्ट people to help you out. And I like to introduce one more person here with you, sir. Mr. Ravi, are you there? Ravi sir, please come in the frame. We are not able to see you.
Yeah, I am here, sir.
We are not able to see you. We want to see you.
Then I'll have
I want to introduce you to Vikas sir. He's Mr. Ravi. He takes care of the training and placement of the students and lot many एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द कॉलेज जो भूपेश कुमार शांति वाले में था रवि कभी कोशिश करता था भरपाई करने को हम लोग बहुत छोटे टीम थे तो उसमें रवि हैज ट्राइड टू गिव अ गुड हेल्प टू मी एंड वर्क मतलब कहते हैं ना कंधे से कंधे मिलाकर चलना तो ही वाज पर्सन ऑफ दैट with a good knowledge he earlier he was there at Ashoka Institute of Hospitality at ITDC का जो IHM है he was there with them and then he has joined us as a lecturer and I have introduced Mr. Vikas to everyone, Ravi sir, and
Sir.
now I'll hand over the session to sir, and we can start the day without wasting any more time.
Anmol.
Sir, we welcome you on behalf of IHM Lecture. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir. I think first of all, I must thank Bhupesh sir. I think Bhupesh ji, I know from his day days when he used to wear the hat and was very active. The good part about this man is that he is very humble, very, very sincere, very hardworking. His hard work has seen colors. Some of his students are today the big, very big stalwarts of the industry. You know, to name a few, Varun Puri happens to now own a chain of restaurants. I think was trained under him. So there are a lot of people we can talk of who are today names in the hospitality industry. I think you are lucky to have him as your principal, as your mentor, as your guide, somebody who still sits at the ground level but has very good relationships with everyone around. I think it's an opportunity for you guys to do. I think 3 year sessions, sir, or 4 year session.
Clear.
So 3 year sessions make it fruitful. I think most important that we all need to understand that it is not just a degree. It is transformation of your personality because you get to learn a lot of things in this hospitality business. Because the most important thing that you learn is that you become a good individual. You are able to interact, you are able to talk, you no more remain an introvert. You are also equipped with skills, so you understand so basic skills of how to make food, how to serve. So you understand that anybody. Can you hear me properly, all of you? Is my voice audible?
Sir, very clear and very nicely it's coming. You can continue.
So I think students' most important thing in life, I play emphasis on this part. Most important thing for you in life is to have a good attitude. Everything will come along. Most important thing in anybody's life is a good attitude. You should have a very positive outlook. Very positive. If I understand what are these students are of what year?
They are in the final year. They have just completed their 2 years and they are in the third year now.
So there are how many students in all in third year?
There are 25 students, out of which 17 have reported for the college. So, we have started from 2nd of August. And rest 9 have still not come because of that parent consent and not many hiccups are there. So the parents have not sent.
Nevertheless,
So that is,
this recording can be available to them at a later stage. But most important, students, I think you are at a cusp of life, a journey where you are going to now open your wings and enter the industry. I'm sure you would have all gone through training. The gruesome section of training must be very hard for you. I think we also had a very hard session when we trained with ITC. I still remember, chopping 50 kilo tomatoes every day and, peeling lessons and going to the butchery, cleaning. So at that point of time, I felt that maybe I am getting into a wrong industry. But today, looking back many years now, I feel those learning will play an important role in my life. So I think rather than showing you a PPT, showing you what needs to be done, you're already in third year, so you understand that what is important for you, how you got to manage your life. So I'm going to make it a very, very interactive session. We will start by a small introduction from each children rather than I telling you what you need to do, because I feel these kind of sessions, most important thing, this is something I learned, my dad told me once, and I have kept it as a Bible, kept it as a Gita, kept it as a thought in my life, that learning should never stop. And you know why I like to interact with the young children? Because I think they give me a fresh lease to life. They give me fresh ideas, fresh thoughts. Because I think the younger generation is full of ideas, full of good thoughts, full of, they are very articulate. They are very creative. I think the session should be mutual learning. I will tell you with my experience that what all I learned over the years, which might help you for a good career in your life. But to start with, I would like you to introduce yourself. Each one of you should introduce yourself within 20 seconds, so that I get to know that who I am interacting with.
Please unmute yourself and one by one we all can start in.
One, yeah, you can stand in the center if you can come in the U, or you can talk from the place you are.
Good morning,
Because I
sir.
would like to see the face also. So if you
Good
can
afternoon.
walk in the center where the camera is.
Himanshu, come in the center, come in the well. आप कैमरे के पास आ जाओ. And similarly, the second person must be ready to come. Right? Yes, here only. Don't go back. Come forward. Come forward. Himanshu, come near me. Yes, hold. And see this side. You are seeing the television. See the camera.
Yes, sir.
TV मत देखो, camera देखो. Yes.
Good
Little,
afternoon,
little
sir.
to the left, Himanshu.
Good
Little to
afternoon,
the
sir.
left.
हिमांशु टीवी नहीं देखेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू
Yes, sir.
टीवी नहीं देखना है. Okay. Video camera is there. You just look at the video camera and you
Yes,
are
sir.
on
Come,
two side. Yeah. Right.
Good afternoon, sir.
come further right.
और go this side. हाँ, संजीत सर की तरफ पढ़ो. हाँ, बस. And थोड़ा पीछे जाओ. Go back. Go a little bit. Yes.
Perfect, Himanshu.
This is
Good
the
afternoon.
location for everyone.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Himanshu Tiwari. I am from
Little loud,
Ghaziabad.
Himanshu. Little loud.
Good morning, sir. My name is Himanshu Tiwari. I am from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I am currently pursuing my BSc third year from Hotel Management Ranchi. I like to play all type of outdoor games. I am interested in front office. I want to pursue my career in front office, and I want to open my own business in near future down the line after 10 years. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vishal Kumar. I am from Dhanbad. I have completed my industrial training from Pullman and Novotel, New Delhi, and I want to be a future chef. Thank you, sir.
Keep on giving that clap for everyone. यार, आप लोगों को सिखाना पड़ेगा.
Good morning.
Come to your right, lady. Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Loud, little loud.
Okay. Good morning, sir. I'm Swati Priya and I'm from Jamshedpur. I
I
did my
can, I,
schooling from
I can't hear
Jamshedpur.
you.
We are not able to get you.
Good morning, sir. This is Swati Priya from Jamshedpur. I did my schooling from Jamshedpur and I'm a hotel management student, BSc third year in IHM Ranchi, and I want to be a front office manager in the future. Thank you.
Swati,
टीवी को म्यूट करना ना. टीवी को म्यूट करो. टीवी को जिससे आउटपुट आ रहा है ना साउंड का, उसको म्यूट करो.
Good morning, sir. This is Swati Priya from Jamshedpur. I did my schooling from Jamshedpur and pursuing my hotel management degree from IHM Ranchi, and I want to be a front office manager in the near future. Thank
very
you.
good.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shivrapriya Nyogi. I'm a student of IHM Ranchi, third year.
I cannot hear you. You need to be little loud.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shivrapriya Nyogi. I'm from Calcutta. I'm a student of IHM Ranchi, third year. And I'm interested in F&B service. That's it. Thank you.
What is your name? I did not get your name.
It's Shubhro Priya Nyogi. Shubhro Priya Nyogi.
Am I audible, sir? Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I audible?
टीवी को म्यूट रखे हो आप लोग. आउटपुट साउंड को बंद करो बिकॉज दैट इको इज देयर. एंड वीडियो कैमरा का
सर वो कुछ
उसको
बोल रहे
फोकस को ठीक करो बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग वेरी ब्लर्ड
हैं
इमेज.
सर कुछ बोल रहे हैं
Focus of video is also not proper.
Am I audible, sir? Okay, good afternoon, sir. My name is Kanupriya and I'm from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. And my hobbies are playing badminton and creativity. And I joined this hotel management course because I want to do some professional course in which I enhance my skills and communication. And I want to do a government job in future. Thank you.
What was your name?
It's Kanupriya.
Panu.
Good morning, sir. Myself Ankit Raj. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have done my industrial training from Radisson Blue Ranchi. I want to pursue my career in F&B. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Mohit Kumar Singh, and student of IHM Ranchi, third year. And my hobbies are to play outdoor sports. I love sketching, and I want to pursue my uh, sir. I want to make my future in F&B service, sir.
What is your name?
So my name is Mohit Kumar Singh.
I couldn't get you. Sorry, once again.
Yes, sir.
I couldn't get your name again. Please again.
So my name is Mohit Kumar Singh.
Mori Kumar Singh.
Yes, sir. Mohit. Mohit.
Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are interested in sketching, you said.
Yes, sir.
You are interested in sketching.
Yes, sir. I am interested in sketching, sir. Means my
Who
hobby
is
is to do that, sir.
who is the sketcher for Times of India?
Sir, don't know, sir. I will try to know that, sir. Actually.
So whatever you like, whatever you do, you should know about it, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What field are you interested in?
Sir, F&B service, sir.
F&B services. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Next.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This
You
is
can remove
Niharika.
your mask.
Sorry,
You can
sir.
remove your mask and talk.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Niharika from Ranchi, and
Harika.
I'm pursuing my. Sorry.
Sarika or Sarika?
Niharika.
Niharika, sir.
Niharika. Niharika.
Niharika. Okay.
And I am from Ranchi, and I want to pursue my career in F&B service in cruise. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Navin Shaltiga. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I have
Can
completed
you be
my.
little loud on your name? I'm missing your name.
Sir, my name is Navin Nishchal Tigga.
Naveen.
Yes, sir. And I am
Okay.
from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I have done my IT from Radisson Blue Ranchi. And my core department is F&B service, and in future I want to open my own business. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Mohsin Ali, born and brought up in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh.
Can you be little loud, please?
Hello. Good afternoon, sir. This is Mohsin Ali, born and brought up in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, and I am pursuing BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration from the Institute of Hotel Management. I want to pursue my career in bakery and patisserie. Thank you, sir.
Can I get your name, please?
Sir,
Can I please get your name?
Ali,
Sorry, come again.
Mohammad Ali,
Mohammed
Mohsin.
Mohsin. You are interested in F&B?
No, sir, food production.
Food production. Why you are interested in food production?
I want to be a pastry chef and I am interested in bakery and patisserie.
Okay. What are the secret sauces?
6 mother sauces. Sir, brown sauce, which is known as Spagnol, and bechamel sauce, white sauce, and I am hello.
Upesh sir, your video is flickering.
वीडियो क्लियर हो रहा है। आप लोगों ने इसको लैंडलाइन पे कनेक्ट किया है कि वाईफाई पे चल रहा है लैपटॉप?
लैन पे है सर, लैन पे।
तो फिर ये वीडियो क्यों फ्लिकर हो रहा है? बीच बीच में वो जो लाइन बन के आ रही है, रेड 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 ग्रीन ब्लू जो पूरा बन के आ रहा है।
ड्यू टू HDMI connection, sir, I would say.
Your wire is loose either. Please see that wire is connected well. That is basically from the video, the computer is missing the feedback, right? That feeding is not proper. वो wire loose है आपका जो connector है।
Thank you, Mohammed.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Abhishek Kumar Singh from Bihar, Supol.
Abhishek.
Yes, sir, Abhishek Singh.
Okay.
Sir, I had completed my training from Crown Plaza, Greater Noida, and I am interested in food and beverage service. Thank you, sir.
You are interested in
Food and beverage service.
food and beverage services?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Why you are interested in food and beverage service?
Sir, I wanted to be a bartender. That's why, sir. I like that how they are juggling and mixing the drinks. That's why.
You want to be a bartender?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me 4 vodka-based cocktails?
Sir, vodka waste.
2 vodka based cocktails.
Yes, sir. Right now, I didn't remember this.
रवि सर कॉकटेल तो पढ़ा दिए होंगे इनको?
Yes, sir. Sir, Bloody Mary and screwdriver. Yes, बोल
Okay, thank you, Abhishek.
कोई बात नहीं, होता है, ब्लैंक हो जाता है कई बार।
ये important है, ये important है. This is going to be today's part of session. I wanted to make this very interactive rather than just showing a PPT and everyone sleeps with the PPT then. I wanted to...
We have one more guest today, sir. Let's welcome him. Mr. Piyush Srivastava have joined us. He was interested to attend your session, तो मैंने उनको link भेजा था.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
वेलकम मिस्टर श्रीवास्तव, आपका शक्ल दिखा दीजिए सबको।
अरे सर वो मैं कंप्यूटर लैब में बैठा हूँ तो कैमरा यहाँ पे जो है ना नहीं है लैपटॉप डेस्कटॉप।
Mr. Piyush Srivastava, he is again a PDP expert and he is a faculty and he is the head of F&B service department at PCIHM City, New Delhi. And इनको पता चला था through my LinkedIn sources that विकास सर session ले रहे हैं, तो he asked for the link. So that's why I have said. So these are a special invited guest, and after the session we can take benefit from him also.
No,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think he is a very good trainer. In fact, I requested because he was presenting interview skills in one of the university. So I also requested him to send his PPT so that there were some very relevant points. So I thought I will share with you that today too. But rather than having a session with PPTs, I wanted to have a live session to understand that how and what you are feeling about the industry. That's most important for you to be successful. I think this interaction was very, very important.
Yes, we will continue.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is Vipul Dalal from Brahmapuri, Maharashtra.
Can you be a little loud, please? What is your name?
Only. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Science.
Vipul.
Yes, sir.
अपना full name फिर से repeat करो, then you start the
Yes,
introduction.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is Vipul Moreshwar Dalal from Brahmapuri, Maharashtra. I have done my schooling from my hometown only. I have done my industrial training from Hayat Hyderabad, Gachibowli. Like to play outdoor games, and I am interested in F&B service. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Your name once again? Utkarsh.
Utkarsh Solanki. Roshan, speak louder, speak louder. Volume up.
You want to pursue your career in?
We have not been able to get you. Connection fix and lose over us. Sanjeev, please take that cable which is been attached with the laptop from the video camera. Oh, बार-बार हो रहा है. Yes, Roshan, what is your interest of area? In which area you want to pursue your career? Culinary. Okay.
Very nice. Your name once again?
Mic को ना please bring closer to your mouth and repeat your name.
दादा आपने नाम की?
दादा आपने नाम की, सर ने ये बोला दादा आपने नाम की. धीरे धीरे नाम बोलो, इतना फास्ट नहीं बोलो. Go slow. Speak your name clearly. Hey, Ravi, I am able to listen to your voice clearly. Why the students' voice are not clear? रवि आप इतना दूर बैठे हो, आपकी आवाज आ रही है, बच्चों की नहीं आ रही. क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है? यार ये कलकत्ता का लोकल ट्रेन नहीं है देवव्रता. दिस इज एन रांची IHM. तो गो स्लो. हम लोग धीरे चलना पसंद करते हैं. लोकल ट्रेन में नहीं चलना, राइट? ओके.
वो आवाज ही गायब हो गया आपको. You want to go in production, Debu? Can you tell me cut of meat, please?
His name is Devovrata Dev.
Okay.
Continue. चलो next.
Okay, thank you.
रवि, दूसरे हो गए. Okay. Work, रवि, work. ज़्यादा काम करो उस पे. Work more over this Devovrata Day. We are not able to listen to him anything. He was not clear enough what he was saying. ठीक है?
So Himanshu, Vishal, Swati, Yogi, Kanupriya, Ankit, Mohit, Harika, Naveen, Mohammad Maureen, Abhishek, Vipul, Kash, Roshan, and Debo. I think, first of all, let's give a clap to them. They presented well. I think little bit of finish is required, and most important thing that you need to be confident of what you're presenting. I'm sure you were not expecting me to ask you all this stuff. You were expecting somebody to just show you a presentation. But I wanted to make this session an interactive one so that this learning goes lifelong for you. This learning is not just for seeing. I think some valuable contributions I saw from somebody's PPT, which said that only listening will not add value to your life. You need to listen, you need to write, and you need to implement. I think most important thing in life is that you need to always be aware of what is happening in and around you. You're all third year students. I wish you first of all the best for your future to come ahead. I'm sure the COVID times has been very taxing time for our industry, but like I always say that we are a very diligent industry. We are an industry where we always come back, even in the times when there were bomb attacks, there were wars, there were terrorist attacks. I think hospitality industry was the worst hit, but still we came back. So I'm sure our industry is a very resilient industry. We will come back with bang once again. And I'm sure you are seeing that all the hotels are now opened up, restaurants have opened up. I think business has started to flourish again. And I wish everything goes normal very soon. So, some key takes from a small introduction you guys made. I think most important thing, what is an important thing of a personality? Today's topic is boost your personality. What is personality? First of all, let us understand. When we meet somebody, the person sees us. I think the first thing somebody sees is how you look, how you dress up. The second personality somebody sees is how you speak, what are your etiquettes, how you address, how you communicate to your seniors, how you communicate to your peers, how do you communicate to your juniors, are you a team player? So these are very important things that we need to inculcate in us to boost up our personality. I think nobody was born with the personality. Everyone works hard on personality. And I think it is very, very important that we individuals should work on our personality. Anybody who feels that he has learned it all is a dead man. I think my father told me at a very young age, even at this age, when I have headed two companies in India, I still continue to learn. And I think learning is a very, very important thing, and it's a constant process. We need to be open to learning at all times. Now let us quote some examples here. While you presented, there was this Mohit who said, I like to sketch. But when you like to sketch, you should also know who are the famous sketchers in the world, who are famous sketchers in India. I think that awareness is very, very important. How would your personality, how would your language, how would your confidence will be seen if you are not equipped with right knowledge? As hotel management graduate, you are expected to have skill sets which are important in terms of your work, but knowledge will play a very, very important role. So you are in third year, you are all going to be facing your interviews now. If you are not equipped and you don't understand and you are not thorough with your subject, if somebody asks you in an interview, how will you express it? I think the door to success is knowledge. The foremost and most important thing in your life is that you need to equip yourself with knowledge. And with this COVID times, it's most important that every day, without fail, everyone should spend at least 1 hour, I feel, in reading important things to understand what is happening in and around you. Day before yesterday, when I went for this award night, my kids were along. I met a very young IAS officer. I said, it's very nice to see you. And while we were interacting, I said, why don't you give some guidance to my children? he said a very, very important thing, that 30 minutes of your every day should be spent understanding, reading the newspaper, not the headlines, not what happened, how many dead, what all the things like the editorials. You should every day go through it so that you understand what's happening in and around you. He said that even if you don't clear IAS, but you will be a different individual. So I would agree with him, and I would also like to tell you that it's very, very important that whatever sector, most of you wanted to go to F&B sector, you must be thorough on knowledge. You should understand your subject, make notes before facing any interview, that what are the probable questions somebody can ask. It is also very important, whilst I saw that all of you presented yourself, but you should be able to present yourself in a manner that everyone appreciates, everyone sees your confidence, everyone understands that they see a clarity of thoughts in your mind. So I think it is very important for anybody when he is facing an interview to express what he really wants to do, to come out as confident person, to show his skill, show his knowledge. He needs to be equipped. That's most important thing. And I think in any personality, the most important thing I feel is your attitude. You should have a very, very positive attitude towards life. You should see everything in a positive way. You should always have a can-do attitude. You should never have a spirit. You should always have a spirit that yes, I can do it. And anybody can achieve anything in life. I have personally achieved certain milestones at very young age. The milestone only got achieved because I always had an attitude to learn and never have an attitude to give up. So that's what I feel, and I want to inculcate in the young students. So whilst we present this session to you, I also want to understand that when you go further, when you are preparing to present yourself, you got to know that why you have done hotel management and why you want to pursue your career. These are the important key takes that you need to make and prepare about yourself. You need to have a 30-second to a 1-minute session prepared for yourself, and you need to practice it in front of the mirror so that you also understand that what is your expression like when you are presenting yourself. I think this will play a very, very important role. I will ask also Piyush sir to add on certain things since he is here. He is a very, very valuable trainer. So he will also give you some keys which he just presented a while ago. Piyush sir, why don't you also give your few keys here? Since
It
you
is very nice that you have just informed regarding the attitude, because when we are looking at that word attitude, we also should know a word which is aptitude. If you are aware of the word aptitude, that is something you are born with. So sometimes we feel that we are not born with a good communication skills or maybe something that we want to achieve. But it is not that aptitude, but that attitude that only takes care of your altitude. So it's a thing like when you want to grow higher in your life, this candy attitude will play a major role when you are climbing the success ladder. And somebody said, I think Henry Ford said it, if you think you can or if you think you can't, you're always right. आप सोचते हैं कि आप कर सकते हैं या आप सोचते हैं आप नहीं कर सकते, आप दोनों ही कंडीशन में बिल्कुल सही हैं, बिल्कुल राइट. तो आपको सोचना है कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं. That is thing I really agree with what Vikas sir just said regarding the word attitude.
I think a personality constitutes of most important things. Ladies, I think we are on a session. I don't want anybody to. If you have any thoughts to discuss, why don't you discuss here? Because I don't want you to have any communication currently. Because these are going to be very important 30 minutes, 40 minutes in your life. Because I am giving you my life experience towards you. So it's important that you must make some notes. You should prepare yourself. You should see how you want to see yourself 10 years hence. These are all typical questions any interviewer will ask that where do you see yourself in 10 years? Why do you want to join hotel? Why you want to And these interview skills are not just relevant to the hotel itself. They're relevant to any industry. I think preparedness is very, very important before going to any assignment. Like you say, the wars are won with practice. The wars are won with determination and attitude. The wars are not just won by success. You have to understand. The Kargil War, we just passed our independence, and I was reading this case study. The Kargil War is a case study for Americans, Russians, Swedish, English, that it was a war which no country could have ever won. The kind of situation the Indians were in. But they still won this war because of two aspects. One, of their determination. Second, of their attitude. So I think most important thing in anybody's life is that you need to know this is the golden years of your life. You need to put in some hard work. You need to put in smart thinking, smart process, smart working, and a good attitude towards positive attitude towards life. And I think nobody can stop you from doing. Initially, I think in the hospitality industry, when I also trained, I also felt that maybe I am in the wrong industry. Tough times when you go for industrial training, they make you clean the trawlsons, they make you get the stores, they make you in the front office, they make you do photocopies, they make you do the R&D registers, and sometimes you feel, are this what we are trained for? But today, I think I passed out in '96. Today, I am at a situation where I have headed few companies in India like Quality Ice Cream Company, DLF, Dabur, and I came from the same school as you are today. So I never gave up. I always thought big. I always dreamt big, and I worked towards it. Even at this stage of my life, it is very important that I keep on equipping myself with knowledge. Knowledge is an ever-growing process. I think we all need to understand that knowledge is going to play a very, very important role in it. There are books that you must read. I'm sure if I ask you today, none of you can talk of a book you have read in the last 2 months or 3 months, because this is a dying habit with our individuals. Nobody reads books. Everyone is busy on Instagram. Everyone is busy on chatting. Everyone is busy on the social media. But you need to understand that the foundation of your confidence will come through knowledge. So I think knowledge, most important thing in any individual, it will bring about confidence in you. Practice also plays a very important role, because how you present it is not necessary. Look at Modi sir. Modi sir was not somebody who came equipped with good English skills, speaking skills, but look at the kind of hard work this gentleman has and how he presents India across the world in all languages. Look at the confidence he comes from. I think it is his sheer hard work, because he's really engineered himself and worked well. So that's very important. A young mind in pursuit of greatness, it is important that you children should inculcate a habit of building knowledge. Read good books every day. Read the editorials in newspapers every day. It will give you knowledge. For example, if you're reading about Olympics, then you should read when did the Olympics start, what years did Olympics did not happen, what years, who are the top medal contenders of Olympics. So I think holistic information about a subject will give you good knowledge, it will give you confidence, and it will give you growth in life. I think it is not necessary that it has to be relevant only to the industry sometimes. It is important that knowledge should be a continuous process. That's the first key take. Now let's understand that what a personality is formed of. Personality is formed of how you dress up, how you speak, how is your overall personality, how you behave, how you talk to your peers, how do you react to situations, how adaptable you are to situations, and how do you react in life generally. Is your attitude positive, or is your positive negative? I think you have to develop an attitude which is going to be positive. When an interviewer asks you that, can you tell me something about this? Sometimes it is possible that we you don't know about something, you can always say, sir, unfortunately, it is how you present yourself. Unfortunately, at this point of time, I am not able to answer this question. If you may ask another question, maybe I can answer. So I think it is also important that how you react to a particular situation rather than falling blank to certain things. So most importantly, if your knowledge is good, you will automatically build in the confidence. If your knowledge is not good, the confidence would always be lacking. But whilst it is there, it is important that you need to present yourself well. So everyone going out for interviews in tomorrow's world need to at least prepare a 1 minute impromptu about themselves. Stand in the front of a mirror and speak. See how you present. See the way you present a particular thing. See your language. See the way you are giving the pauses at the right place. Practice it a couple of times. Over a period of time, you will understand that you are getting to that confidence. Put down questions any interviewers will ask, which is available at the internet, which is available at a lot of books. Just put down all the set of questions and try to answer it, standing in front of the mirror. It will give you a lot of confidence to face the interview as well as give you confidence inside. I think most important is that inside confidence, वो अंदर से आवाज आती है ना कि yes, I can do it. That's the kind of an attitude that you need to build. And I think nothing can stop you if you have the right attitude towards life. Trust me, when I was a young guy and I was selected my first after my college, I was selected as a corporate trainee in higher agency, and unfortunately, I could not join it. But I had to start a career again. I always dreamt of big. I said, I want to become a general manager in 4 years, 5 years. And trust me, I was one of the youngest general managers in whole of Asia. Why? Because I dreamt of it. I equipped myself with knowledge. I worked hard on it. I worked smart on it. I think smart working is also very, very important. That you need to have right mentors in the organization. You need to keep yourself attached to what is happening in the market. Luckily, for the younger generation, unlike us, where we did not have tools where we could interact with seniors, influencers in the hospitality industry, you all have this luxury to interact with youngsters, with people who matter in the industry. There are LinkedIn available, there are Facebook available, there are Instagram available, there are a lot of social media available where you can interact with the people who matter in the industry. You can follow pages, you can see what's happening in the hospitality business. You can, whatever sector you want to tomorrow join, you should have people who you are following, so that you can have a role model in your life. You see that this is what I want to become, this is how I want to do, and see your path in accordance. You need to map your path. You need to see that how I want to achieve a particular position and what is the path I need to follow. That is some of my key takes. I think there's lots we can talk on this side of life, but most importantly, that you need to all build confidence. You need to have a positive attitude towards life. You should have an attitude which says that I am not going to give up. There will be times that you might not get selected in the interviews because the COVID times, tough time for the industry. Might be that there are many not hotel industry or hospitality businesses coming in, but you should never give up. That is what I feel. This is the attitude with backed by good knowledge, your hard work, sheer perseverance will never let you down. You, sir, you would want to add anything?
Yes, sir. I mean, you have actually taken a lot of points and explained them in a very simple manner that attitude is what will take you. But I also would like to tell them that think of something called as attention to detail also. Is one of the qualities that differentiate you from the other people. How particular you are about certain things will determine your professional life. Like for example, if you're making something, you have to go in as much detail as possible. Also to understand your issue, but I think they are going for interviews now, tomorrow or something. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
they are going for interviews tomorrow?
No, nothing like
Oh,
that.
acha, nothing like that. Okay. So,
It was just a general class, I think, giving them some understanding how they should go forward in life, I think. Because I just wanted to interact with them. But yes, they are going to face interviews sooner than later.
because practice that thing
Are you
in
there?
life
Sir, are you there?
to come up with their own
Piyush, your
success path or their
Piyush,
own
your
path.
voice is breaking, I think.
Yes, I'm there, sir. I'm there.
Voice break for you.
This is the same smart classes which we used to have for the final years at
So maybe I need to access some
CIHM City. So this is that class. It has nothing to do with immediate interviews or something. We are working on the personality of the students, and that is we are having these kind of sessions we are doing.
So I think anybody wants to ask anything, it'll be nice to have your perspective, because I don't want to just put a one-way communication. I want the children to also ask questions if they want to ask anything, if they have any doubts in mind. Nobody wants to ask. कोई कुछ पूछना नहीं चाहता.
Vishal, mic here. You can start. Vishal, do you have any question? You can start. Don't worry. Others will join.
Sir, any tips and tricks to develop our personality rather than reading in front of mirror?
I cannot hear you clearly somehow. You need to be a little loud, I guess.
Come to that. या तो laptop में
Sir,
बोलो.
any tips for
लैपटॉप में बोलो
to
आके
develop
आप.
our personality rather than speaking in front of mirror?
So speaking in front of mirror is a place where you see your expressions too. Whilst you communicate and converse, this is a tool which lets you see what and how you are speaking. So I think speaking in the mirror is something, when I used to at one point of time speak at the radio station in Doordarshan, this is what I saw fellow people trying to do. They would rehearse their speeches, rehearse their conversations in front of the mirror, because I think how you speak, your expression of the face also plays a very, very important role. When you are presenting yourself, it's also important that how you are presenting yourself, how are your facial expressions. So quote you an example: sir, I am like this, I am studying in this college. So if your expression are in a manner which are not going with your personality, or which are not going with where the children, where the interviewer will not see very, very positive, it will look like a rata rataya kind of a thing. And you need to practice जो भी आपको बोलना है अपने बारे में, अपनी पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में, और स्पेशली जब जो चीज़ों को आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं उसके बारे में, क्यों आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वो आपके पास एक रीज़न होना चाहिए, और कोई आपका इंटरेस्ट है. दीज आर द टिपिकल थिंग्स एनीबडी वुड आस्क कि भाई आपको इंटरेस्ट है स्केचिंग में, या आपको इंटरेस्ट है गार्डनिंग में, तो वो आपसे कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. आपने बोला मुझे F&B में इंटरेस्ट है, तो वो आपसे F&B की चीज़ें. आपने बोला मुझे बार में इंटरेस्ट है, बट आपको थोड़ा सा कॉकटेल्स मॉकटेल्स के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, प्रोसेसेस के बारे में थोड़ा सा पता होना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू आर लीडिंग एनीबडी टू अ कन्वर्सेशन. The window for anybody to judge you is only that 30-40 seconds. So the 30-40 seconds in your life have to be impactful. So not just in interview, anywhere in life, wherever you are going. जब आप किसी से मिलते हो, उससे आप हग करके मिलते हो, उससे आप हैंडशेक करते हो, आपकी वार्मथ होती है, स्माइल होती है. आप किसी से आप एक बिहेवियर देखो, जब आप एक घर में भी जाते हो, किसी से मिलते हो, कोई आपका रिलेटिव आता है, उसको हग करते हो, उससे अच्छे से बात करते हो, वार्मथ करते हो, तो वो आपके साथ रिलेट करता है, आपको फ़ोन करता है, आपसे बात करता है, आपके साथ जुड़ जाता है. उसी तरह एक इंटरव्यूअर भी एक प्रोसेस है, वो आपको अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर लेने के लिए आपको इंडक्ट कर रहा है, तो वो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी 3-4 तरीकों से पूछता है। कोई बंदा आपको 30 सेकंड में 40 सेकंड में कैसे जज करेगा? वो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी देखेगा, आपके ट्रेड्स देखेगा, आपकी हैबिट्स देखेगा, आपका बात करने का ढंग देखेगा, आपकी वार्मथ देखेगा, आपकी स्माइल देखेगा, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस देखेगा, आपकी नॉलेज देखेगा। सारी चीज़ें तो 30 सेकंड्स में जज करना बहुत मुश्किल है। सो वी नीड टू मेक आवरसेल्फ individuals where not just interview, when we are even meeting people in life, that these skills play a very, very important role. That you have to make sure that your dress is in your shape, your hairs are combed, you have good etiquettes while eating. When you talk to people, you should thank people. When you meet new people, you should give a nice salutation to them. If you are respectful to people, then you will get respect back yourself. Senior or junior or peer group, it really doesn't matter. This is how you need to develop as individuals in life. And I think uh, besides this, there are a lot of things which play an important role, like time management plays a very, very important role in life. Your respect for your elders and senior. हम कई बार कहते हैं कि हम बहुत अच्छे, we have achieved great things in corporate, we have achieved great things in our lives, but we are not respectful to our parents, we are not respectful to our peer group, we are not respectful to our juniors. And I think this as a personality, it does not give you growth in life, because person has to not just see career growth, he has to see individual growth. बहुत important है. जिस I am a 45-year-old guy today. Most important thing for me is making my soul should feel happy. These are important things that you need to develop over a period of time. You should be a good human being. You should show empathy, you should show love, you should show respect for any individual you meet in life. You will have all kinds of people, you will have negativity also around you, but if you are dashed with positivity, the negativity will always get away from you. So I think इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज ये है लाइफ में, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज है. आई एम ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेटिंग टू यू इन हिंदी बिकॉज दैट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज शुड नॉट बी अ बैरियर. इट कुड बी इंग्लिश, इट कुड बी हिंदी, इट कुड बी एनी लैंग्वेज, but the way you present is most important. It's very, very important that you need to showcase yourself as confident, good human being. It's most important when you go crossing life. It is not just about getting a job tomorrow, it is about your life tomorrow. Look at Bhupesh sir. I think he's such a proud father, because the children learn when you also as individuals grow up. You tomorrow you have jobs, you get married, you have kids. Your children will follow what you practice. They will not follow what you preach. You understand? आप आपके अगर पेरेंट्स, अगर वो आप देख रहे हो या एज पेरेंट्स आपके बच्चे देख रहे हैं कि आप सबसे तू तगड़ करके बात कर रहे हो और बदतमीजी से बात कर रहे हो, यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट देम टू कम अप एज गुड इंडिविजुअल्स. आई थिंक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, ये सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग है लाइफ में, कि आपको सबसे पहले एक अच्छा इंडिविजुअल पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग के साथ, नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड के साथ, हार्ड वर्क, टाइम मैनेजमेंट के साथ एक इंडिविजुअल बनना है. And I think nothing in the world can stop you from growing, be it any career you want to do in life. Most important is that you need to work for yourself first, and you need to spread this happiness, your aura, around you. I think I have included a little bit of spirituality, I've included a little bit of personality, little bit of confidence. So I think it is. I always thought, the session should not be just a PPT. I felt this session should also be able to relate to you. You should ask, when you grow up in your life, why, when, how, why I cannot do it, why I can do it. You should always include these conversations in your mind. Even while in a step of learning, you should never be shy to ask. But it's also very important is that when you ask anybody, you are not offending anybody. You are asking in a manner which is persuasive. When you are asking somebody for knowledge is a skill which you will always develop, and anybody will only share knowledge with you if they like your personality, if they are appeased, if they are happy to see you around. Nobody will share knowledge until unless you make the other person also comfortable. So you have to give respect to get knowledge. I think it's most important thing. Make these ethos as a part of your daily life. That you should start your life by first of all thanking the God, thanking your parents, and I'm thanking all the teachers, all the elders who are in and around you. And I think you should work hard towards the skill you want to develop. It's the most important is the skill is a continuous process. Education is a continuous process. Hard work is a continuous process. It has no substitutes. Even at this age, we have to do hard work to achieve larger and bigger goals in life. I think, Upesh sir, I think you would like to add anything here. Any children, any students would like to ask anything?
See, myself already I had been interacting with them, so I don't have to say anything regarding restrictions. But yes, I'd like my students, at least one or two, to sum up what you all have understood, and if anybody else having any question, they can. They are most welcome to ask. Then, yes, there are a few hands raised up.
Very nice.
Please, Mohit is there who has raised up. Kanupriya has raised up. Himanshu. So anybody can come out. No issues. I'm not.
It's good. I think this should have been an interactive session, and that's what I felt. And I want them to interact and ask anything they want to ask.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Himanshu Tiwari. So I want to ask, down the line, I want to open my own business after 10 to 12 years. So what are the guidance, what are the core areas I need to focus upon so that as it is your core area, so what are the things I need to focus upon so that I can open my own business?
Very good. I think first of all, it's a very good question. I think I also, after working, became an entrepreneur. So I think most important thing to become an entrepreneur is first you need to have an understanding of the business. You need to understand in depth of any business for you to get into the business. Unless it's a family business, that you need to get into the in depth and understand what is the business you want to do. You want to put a business plan in order, constitute your knowledge, learn from the best. If supposingly you want to get into an X business, you should, while you are a student and post your student days, you should try to learn from the best people in the world. In terms of, you can do that by self learning, you can do that by education learning, you can do that by working, you can do that by training. So there are a lot of mediums you can do that. And then, but you need to understand the business model, put it into paper, and see that how you want to do it.
Next, over there, Kanupriya.
Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I audible?
Kanupriya, your voice is not clear.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So my question is that today we are talking about personality, and there is one major point in personality. This is body language. How we can improve the body language?
I think there are a lot of books, there are a lot of videos on YouTube which can explain you that how you need to present, what is the kind of presentation you need to do in terms of when you are giving interviews or meeting new people. So there is a lot of material available on YouTube. There is a lot of books which are available. Like I'll just show you a book. Dale Carnegie writes a lot of books. I don't know if you've seen this book.
How to develop self-confidence and influence people by public speaking. Personality Plus by Florence Littard.
So there are a lot of books you can consult. There is a lot of literature which is available. Like I said, I think your body language will automatically turn positive once you are equipped with good knowledge. You have confidence, you have command over your language, your body language will automatically react into positive.
Yes, next, Mohit.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, dear.
Sir, am I audible, sir? Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are.
So my question is like, if a person has set his goal, sir, and he's preparing for it, means he's totally dedicated towards that. But how will he know that he's on a correct path or not, sir?
बड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है यार, बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये कि आदमी हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है और बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है, बट उसको ये पता नहीं है कि वो सही पाथ पे है या नहीं पाथ पे। आई थिंक ये एक बड़ी अंदर से फीलिंग आती है यार, मतलब इसको हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते कि हम करेक्ट पाथ पे हैं या नहीं है। जब आप कोई काम कर रहे हो और एक प्लान के साथ काम कर रहे हो, किसी भी काम को आप प्लान के साथ कर रहे हो, राइट मेंटरशिप के साथ काम कर रहे हो, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू put a plan into practice, you would have mentors, you would have teachers, you have people who have influenced you to do a particular work. So that feeling starts coming from inside yourself. You start seeing results, because I feel any action will have good results. Any positive action will have good results. Sometimes the results are late than as expected, but they always come. So you need to be persistent in your effort. I'm sure the mentorship will also play very important. And the right set of people who are mentoring you for a particular work will always give you, share their guidance, share their experiences with you. But the path needs to be chosen by you. Sometimes there are paths which not many people have chosen. Like we all grew up, when I was studying, at our times, our parents would say only either you become a doctor or either you become an engineer. But today, I think as a father of a child who is just past his 12th class, I tell my child, you want to do anything you want to do, you do. But give your 100%. Even if you have done hotel management and if you want to pursue your career in the hospitality industry, you need to create a niche for yourself where you will become the best. How will you become the best? Again, I come back to point number one, that you need to equip yourself with knowledge, with hard work, with good attitude, and you have to have the right mentorship. And nothing can stop you from growing. And all this will happen if you are persistent, if you are disciplined, if you have proper time management, if you are self-motivated, you are responsible to yourself. These are very key takes in any industry or any work, that you need to first have that fire inside you, that this is what I want to achieve. If you have made up your mind, I'm sure, and the gods also are with you. अल्केमिस्ट एक बुक है जिसमें ये लिखा गया है कि जब आप कुछ सोचते हो और उस पर 100% कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ काम करना चाहते हो, तो व्हाट ट्रांसपायर्स यू टू अचीव। आई थिंक वो शाहरुख खान की मूवी थी, उसमें भी यही बोला था, जो जब आप किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से चाहते हो तो पूरा जहां आपको ट्रांसपायर करता है कि वो अचीव हो। तो उसी तरह मैं कहता हूँ कि लाइफ में कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है। द वर्ड इम्पॉसिबल सेज आई एम पॉसिबल। कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, प्रोवाइडेड you work hard towards it, you work diligently towards it, you are motivated, you yourself motivated. किसी को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आप अभी पढ़ लो या अभी आप ये कर लो, आपको खुद सोचना है आपको मुझे ही अचीव करना है। और आप ये देखोगे कि बहुत सारी लाइफ में ऐसी पर्सनालिटीज हैं जिनके पास कुछ भी नहीं था, ना एजुकेशन थी उनके पास में, ना उनके पास बैकग्राउंड था, ना उनके पेरेंट्स के पास पैसे थे, बट उन्होंने लाइफ में अच्छी चीज़ें अचीव की। मैं भी एक मिडिल क्लास बैकग्राउंड से, मेरे डैड भी डिफेंस फोर्स में, तो हमने लाइफ में एक गोल बनाया, थॉट में कि मुझे ये अचीव करना है और इसके लिए मेहनत का कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है। देयर इज नो सब्स्टिट्यूट टू हार्ड वर्क। You have to put hard work in. Trust me, I am speaking to you after many years. I still remember all the wine regions of France. I still remember all the basic sauces, their derivatives. I remember all the wines, all the classic cocktails, mocktails. I have studied that almost 26 years back, and I have no relevance of it even today. But I think when I studied, when I worked hard, when I went for my interviews, I got through everywhere because of one reason, because my knowledge was good, and I wanted to I could present it in the right way. So I think most important is that you need to get focused in your life towards yourself, and every other focus will come along for you. Anything else anybody wants to ask?
Good afternoon, sir. I am audible,
Good
sir.
afternoon.
Come in front of the camera.
Sir, I want to ask that we have less time for our placements, so how can we manage the time for that, sir?
You have less time for placement?
Motion.
Sir,
Speak it clearly.
sir, how can we manage the time because we have very less time for our placement?
So I think besides the college, I think it's important to have a very good cover letter for yourself, which you can send to a lot of places with a good set of curriculum vitae. Your biodata needs to be prepared in the right fashion, and then you need to reach out to the maximum people. Besides college having their own set of campus interviews, you should also apply at a lot of organizations.
Okay, sir.
Anything else you want to ask? I think
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
something we missed here, that every person should work on their curriculum vitae. They should have a very nice cover letter about themselves, which gives a little brief about what you are as a person and why would you like to make a career, and what significant change, what contribution you can make to the company. And remember that whatever you write sometime in your biodata, or write something on your covering letters, or while you speak to people, you are leading people to a conversation. When you speak to me today, you are leading me to a conversation. When you say that I am interested in bar, I play badminton, but if you don't know who the current number one for badminton is, and you don't know who our national champion is, who is won an Olympic gold in badminton, so I think that your knowledge seems shallow. The most important is that whatever you write, just don't copy, cut, paste. Write something, then make sure that whatever you are writing, you are equipping yourself in terms of knowledge and whereabout what is that subject. If you are talking of F&B, then you should know certain key things in F&B. If you are talking of your hobbies, you should know about your hobbies. You should know about good players in their hobbies. If you are art, then you should know about art. These are the kind of things people are today looking at, that how much you are aware of your surroundings in the world. Okay?
Okay,
Anything
sir.
else?
Thank you. No, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Piyush sir, you would like to add anything? Since you are the expert.
Okay, I think he's not there. He joined, but
I think he's on mute.
okay, the guys, anyone of you who would like to volunteer and sum up the session, what you are taking from today's session with you all, आप यहाँ से क्या लेके आज जा रहे हैं? Simple.
So the good part is I'm seeing a lot of confidence in the children from the.
मेरे चीते हैं सर.
हैं?
ये मेरे चीते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा.
कॉन्फिडेंस रहना चाहिए, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
मतलब चीटियां में है, because चीते नहीं लेकिन
Sir, I got to learn that you should have the right knowledge, and by the right knowledge, you should have automatically build confidence. You should get in yourself. So every day you should practice about that, so you can gain and upgrade your knowledge every day.
So what I can make it out from what you said, Abhishek, जो आप लोग समझे और सही समझे, that a man can only become perfect or can reach to that perfection only when he or she have that perseverance towards his or her goal, and every day they contribute something or other to their objectivity, vision and mission.
Wow.
It cannot be achieved in a day. So that is what we have learned from Mr. Vikas Arora today. And thank you so much, sir. This is really, many a time people don't realize it. पता होता है, लेकिन when there is no guiding star, people used to basically take it lightly. And rightly said, if we are contributing even a little every day in our life towards our whatever goal of life we have to achieve it, we are definitely one day or the other supposed to be there. So what is that? We have to have that focus towards our goal, and every day we should be working something or other for that, even if it is a holiday, even if we are not at a college, even if we are at some place else, we should keep on learning from every situation coming to us, and that will make us what we want to be a day. Not today, after a year, after 2 years, after 3 years, whatever. You have to basically, here in I try to add, you have to have your goal made for short term also and long term goals also. दोनों लेकर चलो, पहले short term को achieve करो and then long term will come.
Take a day as it comes. Don't ever lose now, because sometimes you feel that the best thing did not come to you, but 10 years ahead you will realize that you achieved better things because that time did not come to you. So I think whatever we achieve, but never get focused. I think most important thing, सबसे important चीज हम सब भूल जाते हैं, वो ये होता है कि अपने ऊपर वर्किंग करना इम्पोर्टेंट है। रोज अगर आप ये लिखो कि आज मुझे ये चीज अपने अंदर इम्प्रूव करनी है और ये मुझे 1 महीने में ये चीज को इम्प्रूव करनी है। एग्जाम्पल देंगे, अगर आप 4 वर्ड 5 वर्ड रोज के इंग्लिश के लिखो, डिक्शनरी से देखो, उसके एंटोनिम और सिनोनिम्स लिखो, तो आप रियलाइज करोगे कि 1 महीने में, 2 महीने में, 2 साल में you will have such plethora of words that you are able to present and express yourself and very, very confident. You have to improve by looking inwards to the world and working and developing skills which are going to help you achieve that. Today, in today's world, like digital social media plays very, very important role. It is also important that you need to work on how you need to market yourself. So how you will be present in your company, how you will be presenting yourself. Today's world, in the corporate world, you need to have presence on LinkedIn. You need to have presence on Facebook. All good companies sometimes check your profile and see. So even as a student, I think these are very, very important things. As individuals or human beings, while you are a good human being, you should not forget to give respect to your elders. Thank God every day for giving you a life where you are perfect, you are not handicapped, you are able to talk, you have a family, you can eat, everything is available to you. In today's world, if you see around, see the level of poverty which is present, people don't get to this experience of you should be thankful to the God that they have provided you a platform where your parents are able to take care of you, you are educated, so make the best use of it while it is going on. You are in 30s and you are on the cusp of a life where you are going to be entering your career. Even while in career, don't stop yourself from education. I think the education, the hard work, the interest in yourself as developing yourself as a personality as a person should never stop. It should be ever growing. Trust me, during this lockdown, I did go some forward because it was not necessary. I felt that anything you keep on doing will always add to you as a being, will add to your personality, add to your knowledge, add to your skill set, and I think make you can step you from there. Wish you all the best, and thank you for being so attentive, and we had a very good session, and I look forward to meeting you for in the industry and some point of your startup.
And it's a great pleasure for us. We'll be here, and we are extending our invitation to you for a physical visit. Anytime you feel well, because the pandemic is under control now, and we are looking at a good situation right now, so we are keeping our fingers crossed that the day will come that the movement will be open, and the fear factor within us will go down, and we are inviting for that.
So I look forward to visiting the college because I think it's very nostalgic for me because I have also personally gone on this stage and I can relate to some the young mind also challenges me inside. It is also a learning experience for me to interact with the young soul children because they give me a lot of fresh perspective ideas towards life. Sometimes when you are there and when you interact with the young soul, young children, young students, it also opens to you to think and look with a different perspective. Because we sometimes become myopic, being in the back in the situation we are in. When we interact with the young children, there is a very idea, thoughts, and it's very, I feel it's a continuous learning process. I look forward to being in the industry. Wish you all the best, and I'm sure life will be of success.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. If you are able to
Yes, it was a very good session there. It was a kind of nostalgia that I am having to conduct this classes here and for life. Yes, you are now develop more number of people. It will be very good session by the class. And I hope when I say that things become better, people can come back to the college and this is very well. Thank you very much.
thank you, sir.
All the best, children,
Hello,
and
sir.
thank you for your time.
Hello, sir. Sir,
All the best. Stay blessed, and see you in the industry tomorrow. I'll be proud to say, the students of IHM Raji are today the CEO, the governors of the company
Kanupriya, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. I want to thanks. Sir, I would like to thank you for your valuable time from my side and from my batchmates. And definitely, we work on our personality, and you teach a lot. And thank you for this. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Good day.
Thank you. Take care of you.
Bye.